Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you Shopify product page customization. So let's get started. First, you just have to simply log into your Shopify account. There are tons of advantages if you do this customization on your product page. What makes product pages important? Product pages give customers extra information to help them decide what to buy. They let buyers weigh every aspect of a product before making a purchase. A good product page tells the customer why the product matters and how it can help them. To start customizing your page, you just have to simply go to your online store, tap this one, and you have to look for the current theme. Beside that, you will see a button that says Customize. So as you can see here, you just have to scroll down, tap this one here. Okay. And then after that, click this Customize. Once you tap that, it will take you to another page. And here is where you're going to start your editing. So if you want to, modify settings on your page, products, checkout, and so on, you just have to tap this one and you can change everything here. Okay. So for now, let's do this Customize product page. So tap this one. And this is what it looks like. And actually, you can change everything here. You can change in this announcement bar, header. Okay, you can add section if you want. You can change this product information such as text, title, price, and so on. And the good thing is that if you want to change position, you just have to simply drag this. For example, if you want to move this buy buttons down, then you can drag this one here and you will see the result on the right side. Also, if you want to change this one again and put it up, okay, above share, then you will see the result on the right side. Same thing with other options here, like the text, title, and price. You can change the positions. Everything is up to you. And don't worry because you can see the result right here and it's up to you if you want to save it or not. Also, you can do this customized templates. You can change the background color of this product page, okay? Let's just say if you want to change this into pink. You just have to simply tap this scheme here to change the color of your background and you will have your choices. Okay, so tap the product image and then go to scheme and then go to background. Now we can change the color of your background here. Let's just say if you want your background color to be the same or related to the color of your product, then you can simply change that right here. Also with the text, if you want to change the text, if you think that the text is not matched to your background color, then you can change the color of your text here. Okay, so all you have to do is tap this circle button here and change the color. Also, apart from a background and text, you can also change the color of the button right here. Okay, so you just have to tap this solid button and change that to the color that you want or the color that matches to your background and to your product. Okay, so outline button, you can also change the outline button here. All you have to do is just simply click the circle color here and you can change that. Pick the correct or right color for your product page. As simple as that. Now, every time you change something here, do not forget to tap save so that it will be saved or the changes will be saved automatically. Now, aside from changing the color of your background, the color of your text or your button here, you can also scroll down and modify or change some settings here for the media. If you want to appear it as small, medium, or large, you can select from any of the choices here. But for me, I want to select medium. Also, you can change this to original or fill. And then here, you can change this to 2 columns and thumbnails and so on. So below here, if you want the image to appear as open light box or other options like click and hover, no zoom, you can also change the setting right here. For mobile layout, you can choose 2 columns, height, thumbnails, and so on. So for section padding, you can just change the top and bottom. So all you have to do is to drag it up and down. Once done, like what I've mentioned earlier, do not forget to click Save button. Talking about adding like block here are, let's just say if you want to add composition here on your page, you just have to simply click this add section, go to text, and then you can change this text block to composition. But of course, when it comes to adding buttons like composition, you also want to add some features or options here. There are some things that you cannot edit inside the product page. So here or now, I am going to introduce to you this what they call meta fields Shopify. By allowing you to preserve specific data that isn't typically recorded in the Shopify admin, meta fields enable you to further personalize the look and feel of your Shopify business. Meta fields can be used in a number of ways to display specialized information on your online store or for internal tracking. So to show you what I'm talking about, the very first thing to do here is to go back to your Shopify homepage, go to settings, scroll down and look for custom data. Tap this one. And then here, what you want to do is to simply click products since we're talking about product page here. Tap products. And then here, what you want to do is to simply click this one, add definition. And then here, you just have to simply enter some product meta definition here. For example, you're about to add composition to your Shopify product page. Okay, so type composition here. Click this one, and then namespace and key, you just have to simply, add some dots, and then you can even add numbers here. And then for select type, you can choose this single line text or multi-line text. Everything is up to you, okay? So for the meantime, let's choose this multi-line text here, okay? And after you tap that one, you can add more if you want. So after you tap this multi-line text here, the next thing to do is to simply go to validations. Minimum character count, that should be 1. Maximum character count, 100. Regular expression, alphabetical numerics or characters, rather. And then once done, what you want to do is to simply click save. Okay. So here it is. This is what it looks like for your composition. Now what you want to do is to go back to your home page, tap products, and then select the product here that you want to edit your composition. For example, on this wine. And then if you scroll down below, you will see at the option it says composition, and what you want to do is to simply edit here. For example, if you want to add like 50% or essential oil 50%, something like that, and what you want to do is to click save. Now here's the thing, if you see this one and you try to do this and you can't save, there's something wrong with regular expression under your product meta definition. So all you have to do is to simply change that to alphabetical numeric, something like that, so that you can add some symbols here. So once done, click save. Now you can go back to your product homepage or product page, and then there you had to look for add section and then look for text. And then here what you want to do is to go to the right side. Here you had to change this to composition, and what you want to do now is to simply click the symbol. Here you will see the option that says meta field, add meta field. Okay, so if you have created one, then you could just simply add that meta field here, or you can create a new one. Okay, so if you want to add a new one, you just have to simply do what I did earlier. Okay, add composition and then add namespace and key, and then select type. You can select either a regular or alphanumeric or alphabetical, something like that, and add some information below. Okay, and then once done, all you have to do is to click save, and that's it. Now, if people visit your Shopify store or product page specifically, then they will see that you have added this product meta field definition. Once done, you can go back and import or sell more products on Shopify store. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!